So you're looking to buy a camera on Amazon. There are so many to choose from, so many different formats. In this video, I'm going to compare this or that, different cameras, and let you know how they stack up. This one is the GoPro Hero 9. It's a action camera. It's sort of the, best form factor you get in action camera. In fact, this form factor here is the same form factor used in the current GoPro Hero 11. So any accessories that are coming out for the GoPro Hero 11 should work with the GoPro Hero 9. It's the absolutely classic form factor. These lenses here are replaceable if they scratch. It's got a huge screen on the back. It's got a screen on the front as well. I'll show you how you actually open up the door because it can be a little bit difficult. You just pull it down, then you get access to your battery, which is replaceable, which is great. You also have space there for your SD card. I'll show you how the mounts work on a GoPro Hero 9. You pull this out here and you can see that that just mounts onto any GoPro accessory. There's a power button on the side. There's a recording button on the top. And this is all touchscreen, so you have all your interface for your touchscreen. It's a great camera if you want to use 4K 60. It's not quite as good stabilization as the newer GoPro Hero 11, but a really good solid option for an action camera. This is the Sony EV10 camera. It's an absolute beast. It's a camera I'm using to film other shots you're seeing in this video. And I want to let you know why it's such a powerful option. Firstly, it has a replaceable lens system. So the body's a bit like the Sony ZV-1, but actually you can replace the lens. And that means on here, I've got a really wide lens that lets in a lot of light, but I could also add a zoom lens. So it's very modular. You can choose it to get the shots that you exactly want to get. You're not limited by a built-in lens. It has obviously the flip out screen, as you might expect. It has the usual Sony buttons here. It's got the mounts on the side for a strap. It's got dedicated buttons for photos and video. It has a hot shoe mount here for your microphone, the one that I'm actually wearing right now. We've already talked about the mount here for the camera. It also has a hot swappable battery and SD card that is not obscured when you mount it on the thread. I absolutely love this thing. It shoots in 4K, it shoots in 1080. We use it for batteries all the time. It's got the connectivity on the side here. So it's got the USB-C and it's got HDMI. Also has a microphone port here, which is great. This camera is just so fully featured. A really good option is the Sony ZV-E10. So I hope that was really helpful. A load of cameras compared for you. This or that, you choose. Good luck.